welcome back to Science Fun for Kids. Today we're going to do the color wheel. First, we're going to see how Rapid City looks like. It looks snowy, right guys? It's freezing cold in Rapid City. Now, let's go back to the experiment. The things that you need are milk, primary colors. The primary colors are yellow, red, and blue. A plate and some dishwashing soap. Do you know why we're calling these colors primary colors? Because these colors are not made from any other colors. By adding primary colors, you'll get secondary colors. Red and blue equals purple. Red and yellow equals orange. Yellow and blue equals green. Now put the milk in the plate. Now add the food coloring. Now add the dishwashing soap in the middle. When the liquid dish soap is added to the milk with drops of food coloring in the surface, the soap reduces the surface tension of the milk. Guys, did you see what happened? That's because dish soap and milk don't mix together because they have different density. But it will float and spread on the surface. Hope you like this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Science Fun for Kids. We'll be back with some interesting videos. Thank you and Nandri.